So you want to get a subject out of your photo. Let me show you how to do that. So what you're going to do is click on this spot removal tool. From here, you are going to make sure it is on the heel part of the tool, and then from there, see the two cars off in the distance. You have one on the far left and one on the upper right. So let's get rid of them. It's just kind of taken away from the long exposure. So what we're going to do is go ahead and go to the VW first, and we're going to just shorten the circle, and you can click the left bracket on the keyboard, and it just makes it smaller. Vice versa, if you hit the right side, it makes it bigger. So what we're going to do is just make it a little smaller, and then we're going to click on it. So what it does, it pulls from the long exposure lights, which is cool, but we don't want that. I'm going to make you just click on this outer circle, because this circle affects what's going inside the circle that you selected to get rid of the car. So we're going to move it to this side. Let's go with the tree and rubble. That looks just about right. Let's go this way a little more. And then from there, you're going to click on the inner circle, or sorry, the outer circle that you had masked over the car, and just kind of move it so much more slightly to the right, only because the photo is slightly being affected by the light, which shows why it's that awkward little slide of brightness in the circle. You're just going to move it a little to the right, and as you notice, when you pull out further away, it just goes away. And now the BMW is gone, and it looks like it's just part of the photo with the rubbish and the trees. So next part is we're going to go over to this car on the far left, make the circle that much bigger, and I think that should be just about good. So we kind of drag it down a little bit, that way it looks somewhat parallel to the street, and it doesn't look like it's completely out of the widths. That looks just about good. And then, yeah, that's how you get rid of subjects. So thanks for coming. See ya.